What are you doing, love?
Putting this foil stuff on the windows. But I've got to separate it first, which is a pain in the bum.
Do you want a hand?
No.
Why not?
Because you just do me head in.
Never. Surely. I'll leave you to it then, love.
Thank you.
How are you doing this then, love? That spray gets round my chest.
It's only washing up liquid.
Is that it?
Yeah. It's just so that this can move and slide. So I can manipulate it. That's a big word for me, isn't it? So I can manipulate it to where I want it to be. Oh, bollocks.
Yeah, well, there's no need for language like that.
Yeah, well, I've just manipulated it too much, haven't I?
Oh. How's the new Dibber thing? Is that all right?
Yeah, it's better than my credit card.
So what you've done, you've just sprayed the water on and then put that on and squidging it about.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do any of this?
No, I know.
Are you sure? I can give you a hand.
No, you're all right.
Oh, okay. Right. I'll leave you to it then, yeah?
Thank you very much, Lee. That will be very much appreciated.
There's a bit of a bubble there, love. I'm going. What are you doing now, love?
Clocking.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to help you?
No.
Okay.
Because it's dead fiddly and you just get in the way.
So what will this afford us the advantage of?
Means I can run around naked without anybody seeing me. And I don't have to come out the bathroom thinking, oh shit.
You do that
anyway. The curtains.
What do you mean? You're not naked anyway.
I know. Because I don't care.
Well, just shout me if you need a hand.
Yeah.
How's it going, love? Are we nearly there?
Not quite.
Is it looking good?
Oh.
Oh, it's fiddly.
Very. It's a massive faff. Oh, you absolute.
Oh, I've got away again. Swearing. I'm sensing it's not gone well, love.
No, I've got bits underneath it there that's come off, you know, the
rubber round.
Yeah, because the rubber's eroding because it's old. And when I've been pushing up, there's bits. And that's going to annoy the bejesus out of me till the end of time.
You've done a grand job though, love. I'm proud of you. Is that the right way round? Are you supposed to be able to see yourself? I'll go. I'll shut up and go. Here's how it looks finally. That's not been treated with, not given the coating of this stuff. And that has. It's just a little bit tinted, but looks cracking from the inside and you get to see outside. And that's what it looks like from the outside. And if you think I'm going to shift any of those nettles out of the way so you can have a look at it proper, you have another thing coming. When we get to a bit stretched that's not as overgrown, I'll show you then. So you're now doing them top bits now. Are they a bit easier?
Yeah and no.
Oh, what's the problem?
Because I had to lie them down. Just movement of us moving about, dust led on him, if you know what I mean. So there's bits. There's a couple of bits that.
Oh, quite right.
Yeah, which is going to annoy the bejesus out of me. But if I keep faffing with it, it's just going to get worse, which will even more annoy me. So I'm just going to do that.
Awesome. Only 3 more to go, 4 more to go.
Yeah.